This is where the Blu-ray connects here. There's a little connector here, more gold there, so let's open that up and see if there's anything else interesting under the Blu-ray drive casing. Yeah. It's a shame I have to rip it apart, but try not to rip things apart. Sometimes you have no choice. More rusted screws that might not open up here. Alright, so got that metal plate off. So we got some steel, and here's a nice little board. Monolithic capacitors, IC chip, some gold in this connector here. Let's see what's on the other side of that. Hopefully after this video I'll make that bit video on that 78-inch screen TV I have sitting over here. I keep on mentioning it, I keep on saying I'm going to do it, and I just haven't had a chance because of all the things I've been doing lately. We got the motherboard off. Looks like a nice motherboard. Again, some capacitors here, some IC chips. Definitely some gold in there, you can't really see it. There's gold in this connector too.